Hey there folks, this is DMC Jedi Man coming to another video. Today's video is a taste test, but before I reveal what we're trying today, don't forget if you like my content, be sure to like and subscribe. Hit the bell icon to stay notified when I upload. Check out my gaming channel sometime if you like video game Let's Plays. And feel free to follow DMC Jedi Man's Den on social media. I'm currently on Facebook, Twitter, Discord, and Blue Sky. Links as always will be in the description below. So today I am trying the Cinnamon Toast Crunch popcorn. I found this at a local discount store. I hadn't tried the Cinnamon Toast Crunch one. I've had the Trix popcorn, I think, from the same company. Hopefully it'll be good. It's pretty hard to screw up Cinnamon Toast Crunch, so... Oh, it smells great. It smells exactly like Cinnamon Toast Crunch. Not bad. I think the flavor could be a bit stronger. But it tastes exactly what they say it does. Cinnamon Toast Crunch flavor. Probably wouldn't go out of my way to get this again, but I like it. I think they understood the assignment and they executed it properly. I do hope everyone enjoyed that taste test. I will be back with another soon. Till next time, this has been DMC Jedi Man, and I'm signing off. Peace, everybody.